Today I'm going to teach you how to play Praise by Elevation Worship in any key. I'll be demonstrating in the key of C because it's the easiest for beginners, but I'll also have the numbers displayed so you can translate this to any key. If you were playing the song in the key of G, for example, when I play a 5, you would play a D. A big way I build dynamically is with the pad filter, which you'll see being moved on the screen as I adjust the knob on my MIDI keyboard. If you like the sound of these tones or want to see how it works, I'll have my Ableton worship template linked in the description below. Before we start the playthrough, I want to talk through the main parts of this song and what I'm doing for each part. So at the vamp, intro, and outro, it's sort of a chant, so we're actually not going to be in for piano, so I'll be fully out for those parts. For verses, and actually a fair amount of this song, there's an interesting, what I call a rolling chord. So instead of the traditional all notes being played at once, it's sort of a roll with your hand up. So you'll see that in verse 1. We'll do that, keeping sort of the melody on top. And you often see these rolling chords in Maverick City style songs, more keys predominant songs, where the keys players are adding a little bit more embellishment, playing higher up sometimes. So those rolling chords sort of mimic that. Every time we come to the pre-chorus, which is just 2 chords, we'll be playing low chord inversions with whole notes. And then at all of the choruses, we'll be mimicking the melody of the chorus while keeping our thumb on the 1 of the key. Since we're in the key of C, thumb will be on C, while the rest of our fingers are mimicking the melody of that chorus. Verse 2 I already touched on, we're going to do those rolling chords, but we'll also add some embellishments up high, and you'll see that in the playthrough. Now how you do those embellishments isn't super important. Even just moving the same chord you were doing low, moving it up high, and rolling it like you did the lower chord is perfect. Once we come to chorus 2, we're going to jump up an octave. This is common as a worship keys player. As you progress through a song and things build, we move from lower on the keyboard to up higher on the keyboard. So we're going to be up an octave on the keyboard, and we're going to move the pad filter up a little bit. Now for the bridge of this song, we're actually going to keep our hands in this higher position, and so our bass notes with our left hand are not going to be as low, at least at first while the bridge is building. And we'll still be using some of those rolling chords with our right hand, and once the bridge builds, we'll drop our left hand down to those lower octaves again. And then at the final chorus, for the first few lines, we're going to do a 1-5-1. If you're not familiar with that, you can check out this video here. But essentially, we're doing octave 1s with the right hand and a 5 in the middle. And then when the full band comes back into normal, we'll be doing our normal chorus melody line that we've been doing the rest of the song. And then after that final chorus, it goes into that vamp, which is the same as the intro, and so we're going to drop out. And so on this song especially, there's going to be a very fast dropout. So you'll notice as soon as the chorus is done, I remove my hands from the keyboard and the pedal so that everything fades out really quickly for that vamping chant to carry through. If you are newer to worship piano and want to fast track your learning, I just launched a brand new worship piano online course. This course takes you through all of the main concepts you need to go from beginner to on a worship team, simple and fast. And I'm really excited to finally have all this information consolidated into one spot. You can check that course out on my website, and the link will be in the description below. So without further ado, let's get into the song.
Let's go. 1, 2, ha!
build a song. If you'd like a tour of my complete worship key setup, check out this video.